Am I being... No, I want to ask a very simple, easy yes or no question because I actually do want to walk on my way. Am I being detained?
Yes.
Am I? I am?
Yes.
Is that a lawful order?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a lawful order?
Right to, have ID, identify yourself.
You both say I'm detained, right?
Yeah. You're
like
coming
to-
up here and you're being suspicious, and now you're being belligerent, and we're trying to figure
Actually,
out
I'll
what's
just
going
wait for your
on.
supervisor now.
That's
I'm gonna.
He's gonna come out here in just a second.
Hey guys, this channel right here, Public Transparency, you guys are gonna like this kid. He's really good at what he does, and he's young, and I'm proud to share this video for you guys. Make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel. Let's get his numbers up. I really want to see him do more work. I'll let his work speak for itself, so I won't hold you up. I'll see you guys over in his comment section.
Hello, how you doing?
Can I help you?
No, I'm good.
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Just going in there.
You can't go in there. It's secured. So if you need to go in there.
Oh, is this secure right here?
Yeah. What are you looking for? Police?
Yeah, is this a public?
Is this the South Community Police Station?
There's no lobby?
No. I mean, you'd have to be buzzed in. So what can I help you with?
Nothing.
Well, then why do you need to go in the lobby?
I was just looking around. Can I look?
What's your name?
I'm not going in there. Can I look though?
Yeah, you can take a peek.
Okay.
Do you live around here? You just wondering where the police station is?
Yeah. Basically.
Okay.
Videoing, what is this? What
Yeah.
are you doing?
Am I videoing?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, why?
Why?
Yeah.
I don't know. Am I not allowed to?
It's just a little unusual. You come and walk up here out of nowhere. I asked you what I can help you with. You said nothing. You want to go into the police station and look at our lobby. We don't have one. It's secured.
Okay, well I didn't know that.
Okay.
No.
Okay. This is suspicious behavior. You understand?
Did you? It's not suspicious.
It is suspicious
149.G, the bottom penal code. Go read it before you try anything stupid.
Don't threaten me.
I didn't threaten you.
You did.
I didn't.
149.
This is all live.
That's
Don't try
fine.
to twist it.
That's
it's
fine.
all.
Nobody's trying to twist anything.
You can't lie on camera.
You walk up here out of nowhere. So I ask you, what can I help you with? We have civilians walk up here all the time.
Okay,
sir.
well this is a public sidewalk, right? So you
It's
have
not
civilians.
A public sidewalk.
You
This
said you have
belongs to the-
civilians walk up here.
Yeah,
This
so
is
I
paid
asked
by
you-
the taxpayers,
so I asked
correct?
you, what can I do for
This
you?
is paid by
said
the
nothing.
tax. Nothing. Correct.
Yeah, so I said, okay, so what are you doing here? That's a normal response. This is the police
Do you have a
station.
supervisor? Because you
Would you
are.
like to speak
Yeah.
to? Sure.
Honestly, no. Actually,
4509 to control.
You don't have any idea, anybody?
I don't need any ID on me.
Please have 1556 come out of the South Station.
It's cold.
Listen, we're trying to figure out who you're. Yeah, it's freezing out.
It
you
is
don't have a
cold.
coat on, nothing.
I don't need a code, do I?
Well, not necessarily.
Well, I mean, if
It's
it's
cold
winter
out.
weather, yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Just needs to put
Negative. Please have 4556 come. I'm with 4506.
I got a question. Am I being detained?
Citizen.
Am I being... No, I want to ask a very simple, easy yes or no question because I actually do want to walk on my way. Am I being detained?
out. Yes.
Am I? I am?
Yeah.
Is that a lawful order?
Yeah, I'm.
Yeah, that's a lawful
I would
order?
like to, have ID, identify yourself.
You both say I'm detained, right?
Yeah. You're
like
coming
to-
up
Okay.
here and you're being suspicious, and
Okay.
now you're being belligerent, and we're
No.
trying to figure
Actually,
out
I'll
what's
just
going
wait for your
on.
supervisor now.
That's
I'm gonna.
perfect. He's gonna come out here in just a second.
Okay.
Okay. You don't have any idea.
No ill will, no weapons. I don't have any ID on me. I'm not willing to give it.
Why don't you?
Do you suspect me of a crime?
He's videotaping the.
That's 6. Good. What's up?
Hi, Sarge. How you doing today?
What's going on?
They said I was detained.
For what?
I'm just. He came up, Helen asked.
Can I help
Can I
you?
help you? And he said no. He just wanted to look in the police station as he's videotaping.
What's that
live.
about?
I don't know. I'm on a public sidewalk, correct?
So he doesn't have ID.
What's your
We don't
name?
know where
I don't need an ID, do I?
Yes,
Why?
because right now it seems like you're trying to initiate some police contact.
No, sir. I'm
and
on a
really
public
not sure
sidewalk.
what your intention is here.
I'm
and I have the
conducting
right
a
to
First
ask you
Amendment audit. Yes, sir.
What this is about.
Yes, sir.
So
This is
what
live.
can I help you
This
with?
is
I don't
live, sir.
care.
Okay.
Matter of fact, we're taping you too. See the camera right there?
Yes, sir.
You're on tape also.
Sir, do you know
what is it that you
Sir,
want?
sir, do you know of 149.G? You cannot reasonably.
You, come on.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
With your little
I'm glad you know about 149.G, though.
I'll bet you I do.
I hope you inform your officers as well. Got up in my face trying to intimidate me. Like, come on, guys.
I hate to tell you guys this, but he does get detained or arrested. His phone gets shut off after he goes back inside, gets kicked out. Sergeant comes out again and arrests him. It disgusts me. But right now I want to show you guys another clip where this guy gets up in his face, just basically trying to intimidate this guy. Check this out.
Can I help you with something?
No, nothing specific. How you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm just filming.
Filming what?
Sir, please don't get up in my personal space. You're live right now.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Am
Who
I
are
touching you?
Are you a cop?
I'm asking you a question.
Are you a cop?
You're in this public building.
Yep.
I'm part of the formula for
Okay.
public safety. So what are you
Okay.
doing here?
I'm asking you to get out of my space, sir. I find it very
I'm
harassing.
asking you a question.
I find
What-
it very harassing. Please step back from my space, sir.
No,
step
you know
back.
what? I got the panic button. Let me.
The panic button.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Seriously.
The cops are going to let you know that's perfectly legal. Please
I
back
didn't
up
say it
from my
was
space.
illegal. I'm
okay?
asking you what you're doing here.
And you don't get any answer to that. That's how it works. That's how the law is.
Oh yeah. Okay. Well, that's fine. We'll find out shortly here.
All right. Please back up from my personal space, sir.
Define your personal space.
At least 3 feet away. Please back up from my personal space, sir.
Personal space.
Please back up from my personal space, sir. Please back up from my personal space, sir. You're live. A lot of people are watching you.
I don't care.
Please back up from my personal space, sir.
You're in here, and
Please
I'm.
back up from my personal space. Please back up from my personal space. The court, if this has to go to trial, the court will see you.
Trial for
you're
what?
getting in my face.
Trial for what?
Back up.
You're telling me what to do. You come into this.
I'm
town hall
telling
and
you
you're
to
me
back
what to
up
do.
from my personal space. That's what I'm telling you to do.
I'm asking you what you're doing in here.
Well,
right
I'm
now.
telling you stop walking towards me.
I'm asking you, what are you doing here?
I'm telling you,
I'm asking you, and you're not answering the question.
as an old man, stop walking towards me.
Old man.
Yes.
I'm an old man. Okay.
Yes.
Well,
Stop
I don't
walking
think
towards
anyone
me.
would disagree with that. Am I an old man? Yeah. Okay.
I was very nice with these individuals, and then
That's
you
fine.
came
I'm
up in my
asking you what
face
you're
and
doing
telling me
here.
what, but they didn't get up in my face like that. Please back up from my personal space, sir. Please back up from my personal space, sir. Please, as a city official, I'm asking you to back up from my personal space.
Who's the city official?
You're a
Me
city
or-
worker.
No. I'm
Yes,
not.
you are.
No, I'm not.
Okay, then what are you?
I'm a town official.
Town official. There
And
you
I'm
go.
asking what you're doing.
Getting paid by the taxpayers. Please back
That's
up from my
right.
personal space, sir. please.
I'm asking again. What are you doing here?
I said back up from my personal space, sir. Back up from my personal space. Please and thank you.
Here.
All you
Make
get
sure,
to know is
make sure
I'm
they
a-
get a good face.
I'm a teenager, right? Don't get in my personal space, please. Don't get in my personal space, please.
I'm not in your personal.
I'm gonna
space.
let the officers know
asked-
that you were
said
walking up
3
on me. I
feet.
didn't
I'm
walk
3
up on
feet now.
anybody. Okay, thank you.
I'm 3 feet now.
Thank you. Thank you. You are 3 feet. Now please stay 3 feet away from me. If I stop, please stay 3 feet away from me. Please and thank you. Trust me, I do this a lot. I know what I'm doing.
So again, you're in a public facility. What are you doing here?
Conducting a First Amendment audit.
Okay.
You know what that is?
Oh, that's fine. I
Do you
don't
know
have
what
a problem with that.
No, I'm asking you,
What's
do you
your
know what
name?
it is?
What's your name?
I don't have to give that?
Oh, you don't? Okay.
No, I don't.
Okay.
I'm in a public space.
Yes,
The
yes,
only
you are.
time that I would have to give my name is if I committed a crime. That's how it works.
Oh, okay.
You know that?
Go with that.
You're not a law official, so you wouldn't know. How you doing?
Okay, make the call.
So they can get you in, so they can come here and tell you that I'm fine to do what I'm doing?
I'm concerned about the safety of this building and anyone who comes into it.
Well,
without identifying themselves or what the purpose is of what they're
Do
doing.
I identify everybody that comes in here?
When they walk around with a phone and they're acting very suspiciously,
So when they
and it
conduct,
poses a potential threat to
okay,
the safety of the building, then the
so
answer
when
is
they're
yes, I will
conducting a
challenge them.
constitutionally
Every bit as much
protected
as what I'm
activity,
going and
do you know
talking to you right now.
Okay, so is it illegal what I'm doing? Do you-
No,
Possibly it is.
Okay, can I explain to you right now? Okay, right now I'm in public.
Doesn't matter.
It does matter, sir.
No,
It
it's
does.
It's activity.
Sir, I've done this a lot of times, and I was just at the DeWitt Police Department inside their city clerk, and guess what? The police and the sergeant came out and told me I was fine to do it. So guess what?
I didn't
It's
say
gonna
you weren't
happen.
fine to do
Okay,
this.
then they didn't get my information either because they had no reasonable suspicion that I've committed a crime. That's how the law works, sir. I'm sorry that your feelings don't trump my rights, but that's how it works.
I didn't say my feelings trump your
Okay.
rights.
So it's guys like you that just come in and start trouble.
I'm not starting trouble. I was very nice with them until he approached me, got up in my personal space, kept walking towards me, proceeding towards me multiple times. I asked him to back up. He didn't back up for a while until I asked him to give me 3 feet.
There's no such thing as 3 feet. That's beside it. You know, a young guy like you should be in school or something.
Who said I wasn't in school? Who said I don't make money?
I didn't say you said that. I didn't say that.
Okay, well,
I didn't say anything about
then
money.
don't worry about my personal. That's personal. I
Well, you're
I
going
bet you
around
don't
asking
ask
people
everybody how
questions
much
there.
they make,
As
what
an
they do.
employee,
Yeah.
I feel threatened by your actions.
Well, that's you have no authority to feel
Perception's
threatened
reality.
by the actions.
I have.
You have zero
Doesn't matter how
zero
I proceed.
protection in public against the camera.
Okay,
That's how
so
it
you want
works.
to talk rights, then let's talk about this right. What right do you have to judge how he feels?
I feel threatened. And as an employee.
You can't feel threatened by a camera in public.
How do I
Okay.
know it's a
How do you know?
Because I know. Because I've been to multiple other
You
places.
said you felt threatened when I came within 3 feet of you.
Because you kept proceeding towards me. I know what I'm doing, bud.
I didn't say you didn't know what you're doing. What I'm saying is I don't know what you're doing.
You don't need to know what I'm doing. I'm a member of the public. I'm in a public space recording, conducting a First Amendment protected activity by the Supreme Court.
And I never said you were.
And so, there you go. But at first, you were coming up in my face, getting up very close to me. Come on, man. Come on, bud. You don't do that to a member of the public. Imagine if
When
I
a
was a
member of
cop.
the public comes
Listen,
in and
listen.
poses a
If
threat- no.
okay. So if a cop came in with a body camera on, right,
Mhm.
and he was standing there, and you started walking towards him, getting as close as you did to me, don't you think he would pull something out and hit you with it?
I wouldn't get hit that close to
Yeah,
him.
you wouldn't get that close to a cop because you know.
Because he's exercising his duty.
So I'm exercising my duty.
What
Right
is your
now,
duty?
you're gonna be on YouTube, and a lot of people are gonna see you. And what's your name? Do you have a name?
Do you have a
do you
name?
want to?
I asked
Okay,
you.
I don't
What's your
have
name?
to. I'm a private citizen.
Well, I don't have to
You're,
either.
you're a public official. Yes, you are.
Am I a
You get
public
paid by
official?
tax dollars. You have to identify yourself by New York State law and your code
What
and
law?
your policy.
What law? And
What law?
policy?
It's
Cite
Rule
it.
37.
Rule
Rule
37.
37.
Rule 37.
Rule
what
37
section?
by the New York State law.
What section?
What section?
Is it
It's
the
not a
town
section.
property laws? Is it real property
It's,
tax
it's a
law?
New York State law.
Is it official
It's a New
law?
York State law for public
What law?
officials.
I'm asking you
For
what law
public
it is.
officials.
What law?
For public officials. It's a policy. It's not even
Public
a law.
officials. You know how many laws are on the books for
It's
public
not
officials?
a law. I just told
Oh,
you
it's
it's
not
not
a
a
law.
law. I told you it's a
But it was
policy.
a law.
I said it's a policy.
Oh, what policy? Is it a state, a county, a town? What policy?
You
Whose
said
policy?
law.
Whose
It's
policy?
a policy.
Whose policy?
New York State.
You're getting too close to me. Please back up.
You just got close to me. You
No,
walked
no,
up
you
on
just
me.
walked right around
No,
me.
you just walked
Please
up
step
on me.
back.
Back up for me.
Thank you.
Back up for me. Back up for me. Come on, you're getting too close to me, sir. This open to the public?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Thank you so much.
And you're the public, and welcome to the town hall.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh, the lights got shut off. It's okay. I have good camera, so lighting's not bad.
Yeah, the lights were on, no one's here. It's just wasting electricity and taxpayer dollars.
Right? Correct.
Right.
You're so nice. Thank you so much for giving me a tour.
Never said you couldn't have a tour.
Thank you. Let me let you know. I know that you don't agree with what I'm doing, but it's all perfectly legal.
I didn't say, number one, it was illegal. Number two, I didn't say I disagree with what you're doing.
Right.
I simply asked what you were doing. It is very unusual for someone to come in and pull out a camera and start filming and asking people what their names are.
Unusual,
That
yes.
has the potential for leading to a threat.
Unusual.
I'm trying to avert a threat.
Unusual, yes.
You can't be in.
Unlawful, no. Oh, he just told me I was allowed to. It's,
No,
he
no.
just
Unless
let me know.
This is a private road. If this room is open for the public during
Oh.
a meeting, you're allowed, or if it's reserved, you're allowed.
Then there should be something
It is,
that
that's why
says.
the door is gonna be closed.
Yeah, is
They
that what
went
the door?
closed after last meeting, we just had.
Okay. Now tell me why your other guy is informing me that it was a member of the public that's allowed to be in there, because that's a public entrance.
No, it's not.
Yeah, well, he just told me. So you want to tell him that he's wrong? Do you want to go ahead and tell him that he's wrong? Oh no. You don't want to go tell him that.
Let me tell you all something. If there's one thing that I really want to do is find a way to reach the youth. The young men and women out there who believe in freedom need to wake up, start watching our videos, and even pick up a camera and start a channel just like this guy did. It's very important that we stop watching stuff like mainstream media, movies. It seems like the fall of Hollywood is here, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of happy to see it happening. Everybody needs somewhere to go. We got everybody trying to come on into this wonderful freedom movement, this community, and they're bringing their movie editing skills and they're making a quick buck. But what they're not doing is going out and recording police. They're not really making their bones. They're just gonna come on in and take all your hard work and they're just gonna turn it into a program. But we have some brave people out there, and I ask you guys to be brave. Pick up a camera and record your own interactions with your public officials. Even if you see police on the side of the road, record them, upload them, start a channel, reach out to me. My email is sjvtkern@gmail.com. Send me your video links. I will check them out and we can get your channel going. And with that, have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys on the next video.